welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel after almost an year, I guess so. I am Aditi. Right now, I am a third year physiotherapy student at SHS College of Physiotherapy, Pune. I'm really sorry for not being active on YouTube, but as far I am bringing back the vlogs, but this time these are all going to be med school content. I don't know if you guys have been waiting for or not, but yeah, this content is definitely going to be very helpful if you work on it. Obviously, I wanted to make any videos regarding studies, but I couldn't. But here I am making one, which I am back with how to prepare for your exams like a pro in less than a month. A medical student may be knowing कि उनकी exams आ रही है. There is not even a month. So yeah, this video for you. Without any further ado, let's move right into the video. The very first rule is get a little diary of yours. यहाँ पे तुम सब कुछ लिखने वाले हो जो भी मैं बताने वाली हूँ. Get a pen and write this rules which I tell you. The very first rule to study in a very little time, you need to categorize your subjects. Categorizing your subjects is really important because इससे तुम समझोगे कि how much time and how much attention you should be paying towards that particular subject. Let's divide the subjects into two broad categories, which would be either like or dislike or difficult and easy. After you divide them as easy and difficult and like and dislike, you are going to get four other categories, which would be like and easy, like but difficult, dislike but easy, dislike but difficult. And I'm going to tell you कि तुम exactly ये order कैसे follow करने वाले हो. सबसे पहले you are going to go for like and easy because these are the subjects you like, तुम्हारा attention भी रहेगा, and these are easy तो time भी कम लगेगा. Some time में you are going to cover the subjects, you are going to score good because you like them and they are easy. Plus you have studied them all. The second category would be like but difficult. तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट भी आए बट यू नीड टू पुट समथिंग यू डोंट लाइक इन बिटवीन ताकि तुम्हारा जो फ्लो है वो बना रहे. You like this subject but it is difficult, so it will take a little more time. The third category you would study is dislike but easy. You don't like it, but as it is easy, you'll try to cover it in very much of less time because you don't want to pay attention to the subject, but it is necessary to pay attention to the subject. So that's why I have put this category on the third number. The last you study is difficult and dislike. First three categories would be finished in, I guess, 15 days max. So the later 15 days you get for this difficult subject because it is difficult and you don't like it. So you are going to pay more concentration on this subject, which is required actually. This have been the four categories I have divided. You can do it ulta as well. Like you can study first the difficult and dislikable subject first. I think you should go with the ascending order because तुम बहुत कम टाइम में बहुत सारा syllabus cover कर लोगे. Rather than focusing on just one subject for very much of time because जैसे जैसे exam आगे बढ़ता है you get stressed. This is my tactics to get over कि मैं पहले easy subjects पढ़ लेती हूँ and then we go for difficult subjects. I know we get stressed a lot. हमें लगता है कि we haven't covered the syllabus yet, cannot do it, इतने कम टाइम में कैसे पढ़ना है and everything. So the best ever solution I have done, I have always followed previous year questions, which gives me, idea of what questions can be asked from a particular topic. I have a book in which I have wrote the particular subject. I have mentioned the topic and I have searched an entire day from this topic what questions could be asked. इस हिसाब से I can cover almost of the syllabus. It makes you a little stress free kind of because you know what questions are going to be asked, what kind and how much twisted that questions could be asked, and as you have already read that questions, you know what you have to write because you have already prepared for that question. The third tip I would suggest to you, if you really invest yourself with sacrificing your sleep and everything, you follow this. Yes, this tip is really beneficial, which is following your syllabus. I know in 1 month you would say कि क्या ही करेंगे and everything. If you go according to syllabus, there would be some pointers. For an example, pain, assessment of pain. I have got this pointers. If I go to study pain from any of the textbooks when there is less than a 1 month remaining, I cannot study the entire thing and I could not pay attention to other things as well. So I would first of all get this one pointer from the syllabus. I would search it anywhere, be it my textbook, be it any of the Google sites, be it any of the study material sites, and I would get my notes prepared within 15 minutes or so. will take one pointer and I would study that particular topic from the entire book. I would not study the entire chapter. So this one is a little difficult because you need to focus a lot and you need to read from textbook. The fourth tip to score like a pro is merging step 2 and step 3. That yes, you need to be determined for this step because you're going to follow the previous year as well and you're going to follow the syllabus as well. I would say that put the syllabus in front of your eyes, look at those pointers, take out your PYQ, and from those PYQs please look out for those particular pointers कि कौन सा question इस particular topic में से पूछा है. You write it down, you note it down, please note it down, and then take your notes accordingly and study accordingly. For example, let's take the assessment of pain again. Now, if you see for subjective and objective assessment of pain, there are some scales. For an example, let's take McGill questionnaire or let's take NPRS. If NPRS, I would see how many times NPRS has been asked in previous years. I would pay more attention to that. And if it is asked, I will definitely study it. And even if it not asked, I would definitely study it because it is mentioned in the syllabus. ऐसे तुम्हारे PYQs भी cover हो गए and ऐसे तुम्हारे syllabus भी cover हो गया. तो, there are very, very high chances of you getting a distinction. Yep. These were the steps you could use for your exam preparation. All of these steps are really good, but you really need to sacrifice your sleep. First of all, work hard and be determined to score good. So these steps will possibly work for you. I'm going to make more of such videos. Please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post. Thank you and keep watching me. Bye.